here's a video of the goldfinch who lost his top beak. He still had his top beak, but as you can see, you can tell that there was something wrong. The beak itself looked like it was flaking, and the cere area, which is up by like where the nose is, looked like it had, I don't know, something growing on it, kind of. Some causes of beak injuries can be fighting, environmental hazards, nutritional deficiencies, and parasites. I researched and found out that sweet potatoes are good for a bird's beak health, so I put some out. It looks like he's still able to eat, so that's encouraging. Hopefully he will heal and he'll come back, and hopefully you guys come back too.